We got a 26-foot trailer down here before, or when it first washed out.
And then Dave Richardson, that trailer he brought in is huge.
Yeah.
That's us.
Well, that's you.
Yep.
How big is that trailer you guys
Yeah.
brought?
35 foot.
35 foot.
Yeah, so.
I
yeah.
can get through now. I was so scared.
We're gonna we are gonna put road base on top of this so that the dirt won't wash away.
Oh, thank you. God bless you. I'll do all I can manually to build up dams up the way.
Both of us
Yeah, thank both of you. Thank you so much.
equally.
I'm just a poor, well, forget about it. But I can do manual work. You know, you can build dams all the way up so it slows the water down. And
we dug a trench, and then we got this
yeah.
for runoff so that it won't go straight down. It'll go
Great.
over here.
Yeah, I was going to do that, but that's exactly what needed to be done here. All right.
Okay.
Yep, that's great.
Okay, I'm going.
Have a great one. See ya. Dave Richardson, thank you.
Yes.
He got down there with that thing, huh?
Yep.
Which,
He did.
which way did he go? Just right there?
Right here. I stood right here and went as far as he could.
Oh, just by being up here on the road? From all the way up here, he dug down there?
Yep.
Holy mackerel.
It was awesome to watch.
Oh, yeah.